Hi, I'm Julie Gutierrez Farley, and I'm the Director of Solutions Architecture for Key Information Systems.
And I'm John Agsalud, the Director of Professional Services here at Key.
Together, our two departments, along with the Office of the CTO, represent the technology organization at Key. And we analyze, design, implement, manage, and support enterprise-class data center infrastructure solutions for our customers. We both have hybrids on our team. We have architects and engineers, which means we manage to people's strengths. Both of our guys do pre-sales and post-sales, and our job is to leverage our experience, our expertise, and our ability to deliver results for our customers.
I think it comes in really handy to have some separation between the pre-sales activities and the post-sales activities to allow everybody to maximize their particular skill sets.
John and I worked together to come up with the five-step delivery methodology. There's 5 specific areas that we make sure that we can deliver results for our customers. We do configuration planning, which is ensuring that we know how the hardware and software is going to be configured for the solution that we're working on. We do integration, which represents the hands-on engineering work to deliver the actual solution. We do knowledge transfer, which is both behind-the-shoulder and over-the-shoulder training to our customers. We do documentation, which is a point-in-time copy of the architecture as it was implemented. And then we do use case testing, which is really represents the reason why the customers purchased the solution.
Typically in any engagement, Julie and I will work pretty closely together to define the resources that are going to be necessary from the key perspective, figure out who's most appropriate, try and put some level of effort estimates on what it's going to take to get the job done, and make sure that the project fits accordingly to the customer requirements, both in terms of what they can do and what they can't do, so that we make sure that we have a complete and synthesized project plan.
Over the last 2 years that Key has actually had an architecture team and a professional services team, we've done a great job at sharing intellectual property so that we can shorten the level of effort to deliver results for our customers.
I think leveraging that intellectual property is something that's really come to bear for us here at Key. We've got several different individuals from several different backgrounds now that have all come together and all work towards the single really goal of any of our projects, which is customer satisfaction.
I think the other important thing in our methodology and how we work closely together along with our CTO is the guys that are working on a specific project, there's a lot of accountability because we've got the architect that took the customer requirements and we're able to build it out and create a model that has the hardware and software and services that are required to actually deliver against that business objective, and then that person partners closely with someone on John's team who is the engineer that's actually going to be doing the implementation services. There's specific times where we have checkpoints in our projects too so that we can check in with the project sponsor, which generally represents either the CIO or the CTO or the director or whoever the business owner is. John and I often follow up with the customer and make sure that we're closely in communication with them so we know that our teams are actually delivering results.
I think along those lines, we also at Key have a tremendous investment in education and training for both our architecture and engineering staff, and that really helps to further us along. It's not just on-the-job training and figure it out as you go.
Agreed.